when it comes to buying things online. However, one company has the same status in China and is now trying to enter the online shopping field in the US, Alibaba Group Holding Ltd. But it sure was fun to sift through thousands of products looking for the best of the best. Let's take a look at some of the best gadgets on Alibaba. Bluetooth speaker Rowie. Light to handle, you can take it wherever you want and can adapt it to situations by changing the color of the light, choosing from the 6 colors available. It is also waterproof and therefore resistant to water. Using Bluetooth, TF card, or FM mode, you can listen to your music for 8 to 12 hours and use the lights for 5 hours of brightness, 120H on low brightness. And you will only need to recharge it for 3 to 5 hours with a 50cm USB cable available with the Bluetooth speaker. Dzzkoye Charging Cable Bracelet. In normal times, the charger bracelet can be worn on the wrist as an exquisite bracelet. It can also be used as a keychain or as an ornament hanging on the bag. In case of emergency, this product can be used as a spare charging cable. Charging bracelet is a rare creative gift because of its stylish styling and rapid charging. Kollea Reusable Ice Cube Whiskey Stones. Wash the whiskey stones and put them in the ice tray to freeze for at least 4 hours and more before placing them into your beverages. After use, simply clean and dry them again to store in the freezer. Kollea whiskey stones, made from stainless steel, creates the possibility to quickly lower the temperature of your drinks while not spoiling the straight-out-of-the-bottle taste. They will never water down like usual ice cubes do, reusable, and much practical. TAO WellShell. Users can do more than 50 isometric exercises with this palm-sized pressure sensor, which can also monitor heart rate, sleep duration, and steps walked/distance traveled. The WellShell provides instructions on how to perform each exercise with a 3D model that demonstrates how it's done. Garmin Edge 500 Cycling GPS. Cyclers will love Garmin's new Edge 500, a lightweight GPS computer that tracks distance, speed, elevation, and location. The small device easily attaches to handlebars to help performance-driven cyclists navigate their environment, as well as monitor their heart rate, track calories burned, and see how long and far they've traveled. iriverOn. The iriverOn is a set of Bluetooth headphones that are connected to a funky-looking neck collar that rids runners and weightlifters of tangled cords forever. Users listen to music while their headphone monitor distance, time, calories burned, and heart rate with a biometric sensor in the right side earbud. Skulpt Aim. The most frustrating part of getting in shape is not seeing immediate results. Skulpt Aim can help with that. It's a handheld wireless device that can calculate the fat percentage of any body part simply by being pressed against the skin. It can provide overall body fat percentages too. The way it works is by sending a current through the body and measuring how quick it moves. Makeup Brushes Set. This makeup eye brushes set is made of high-density soft nylon bristles, non-shedding and odor-free, easy-to-stick powder to create a perfect eye look. Dazzling 3D fish-scale mermaid tail shape handles, which are made of premium plastic material, durable, and will give you an incredible touch, feeling as well as stylish visual feel. DoubleNest Hammock by Eagle Nest Outfitters. High strength, maximum capacity of 400 pounds, aluminum wire gate carabiners, breathable woven nylon, and triple interlocking stitching. Attached compression stuffed sack compacts hammock down to the backpack, friendly size of a grapefruit. Nautical grade line with stainless steel snap links safely secure to trees, poles, boat masts, or even the wall. SunnyLife's Women Large Pineapple Neon Light. Pineapple neon light desk and table lamp, a perfect addition for the home. Neon lights are specialty decor pieces that are sure to spark conversation. Great as unique gifts, even better for yourself. Add some ambient lighting to a dark corner, place on a side table, or flaunt any space that needs a touch of style.